Let's start by opening the official Apolosign website, where the Gen 2 portable TV is featured. Here you can see how the brand positions it as a 4K portable smart display with a 15,000 mAh battery, swivel base, Android OS, and casting features. Now let's jump to the Amazon listing where the real breakdown happens. The Amazon page displays the full specs, but more importantly, this is where buyers mention how the TV performs in real daily usage. We'll scroll through the review section, showing comments like great picture quality and easy to move around, and others mentioning slight lag when streaming multiple apps. Let's focus specifically on the critical Amazon reviews. Users talk about battery draining faster than advertised, hinge loosening over time, and some mentioning heat buildup during long streaming sessions. This gives a clearer picture beyond marketing claims and helps assess long-term reliability. For the final verdict, the Apolosign Gen 2 portable TV is legit, backed by an official brand site and active Amazon buyer feedback. However, expect trade-offs. While the design and picture quality receive praise, battery longevity and durability concerns appear consistently in real user reviews. Not a scam, but best suited for light to moderate use rather than heavy all-day streaming.